Imagine managing a project with a limited budget, tight timelines, and multiple unpredictable expenses. Every dollar counts, and a single overspend could throw the entire project off track. But what if you had an intelligent tool that could predict costs, analyze expenses in real time, and even alert you before budget overruns occur? That's the power of AI in budget management. In today's video, we are diving into how AI can help you keep project costs under control, manage resources more effectively, and bring your project in on time and within budget. If you are a project manager looking for smarter solutions, you are in the right place. Hey everyone, welcome back to Next Chair. If you're new here, I'm Rohit, and here we focus on mastering project management skills and leveraging the latest technology to simplify workflows. Today's topic is an important one for anyone managing budgets: how to use AI for project budget management and keep costs under control. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss our latest insights. And if you find this video helpful, please like, share, and comment below. It really helps us bring you more content like this. Story: The costly challenges of budget management. Let me tell you about a project manager named Mike, who works for a large construction company. His team was tasked with a big infrastructure project, and it had a detailed budget. Despite careful planning, though, costs started to spiral out of control. Some materials cost more than anticipated, labor hours ran over, and unexpected issues cropped up that required additional funds. Before he knew it, Mike's project was exceeding the budget, putting the entire project at risk. Desperate for a solution, he turned to AI-powered budget management. For Mike, it was a game changer. The AI tool allowed him to track every expense in real time, predict cost overruns based on historical data, and optimize spending by identifying cost-saving opportunities. Suddenly, Mike had a tool that wasn't just reactive, it was proactive, helping him make data-driven decisions and keep his project on budget. Let's explore the first step in using AI for project budget management: real-time expense tracking. 1. Real-time expense tracking. One of the biggest challenges for any project manager is staying on top of expenses as they happen. With traditional methods, you often only find out about budget overruns after they occur. But AI changes that with real-time expense tracking. With AI-powered tools, Mike could monitor spending in real time, from labor costs to material expenses. Every transaction was logged instantly, giving him a clear view of his budget at any given moment. This meant no more end-of-the-month surprises or sudden realizations that the project was over budget. For example, if spending on materials was above the projected cost, the AI tool flagged it right away, giving Mike time to adjust other expenses or negotiate better terms with suppliers. Real-time tracking transformed Mike's workflow, allowing him to react to spending issues immediately and make proactive changes. If you think real-time expense tracking could help keep your projects on budget, hit that like button and let us know how you track expenses in the comments. Tracking is just the beginning. Let's look at how AI helps with budget forecasting. 2. Budget forecasting with predictive analytics. One of the most powerful tools AI offers for budget management is predictive analytics. By analyzing historical project data, market trends, and other relevant factors, AI can forecast future costs with incredible accuracy. For Mike, this meant the ability to predict budget requirements for upcoming phases of his project. The AI looked at data from similar past projects, analyzed factors like seasonal fluctuations in material costs, and provided a forecast that was far more precise than Mike could manage manually. This allowed him to set realistic budgets and secure any extra funds early, well before they were needed. For example, when the AI forecasted higher labor costs due to an upcoming labor shortage, Mike could adjust his hiring strategy in advance, ensuring the project stayed within budget. Predictive analytics allowed Mike to not only forecast costs but also plan for contingencies, turning budgeting from a guessing game into a data-driven science. If predictive forecasting sounds like something you could use, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more tech-driven project management tips. Next, let's dive into the ways AI helps identify cost-saving opportunities. 3. Identifying cost-saving opportunities. AI doesn't just help manage costs, it can also highlight areas for potential savings. Using data analysis, AI can identify cost patterns, compare prices across vendors, and recommend budget-friendly options. For Mike, this feature was invaluable when it came to sourcing materials and managing labor costs. For example, AI detected that Mike's team was spending significantly on one type of material, which could be sourced at a lower cost from an alternate supplier. The AI system compared suppliers based on price, quality, and delivery speed, helping Mike choose a supplier who fit his budget and timeline. This saved thousands of dollars, which Mike could then allocate to other areas of the project. AI also helped Mike by analyzing the work schedule and suggesting adjustments to reduce overtime costs. By redistributing tasks and optimizing shifts, he was able to save even more on labor without sacrificing productivity. Now that we've covered cost saving, let's look at how AI can help prevent budget overruns before they happen. 4. Early warning alerts for budget risks. AI's ability to detect budget risks early is one of its most impactful features for project managers. Instead of waiting for a budget overrun to become a crisis, AI-powered tools can detect patterns that indicate an upcoming overrun and send alerts to the project manager. For Mike, this meant he no longer had to spend time manually combing through financial reports. Instead, his AI dashboard would alert him if spending was projected to exceed budgeted limits. For example, if labor costs were trending higher than expected due to delays, the AI would notify him immediately. This early alert system allowed Mike to make changes quickly, either by reallocating resources or adjusting timelines to avoid unnecessary costs. With these early warning alerts, Mike had the ability to respond to issues before they became budget blowouts, keeping his project on track financially. If you're finding these tips helpful, please like this video and share it with your colleagues who might benefit from these insights. Finally, let's see how AI supports continuous budget monitoring for a well-rounded approach. 5. Continuous budget monitoring and reporting. Lastly, AI enables continuous budget monitoring and generates reports that provide real-time insights into project spending. Mike used this feature to regularly review his project's financial health. The AI tool provided detailed reports with visuals, showing where funds were going, areas of overspending, and cost-saving successes. These reports also offered Mike a historical overview, which he used to refine his budget plans for future projects. Knowing exactly where each dollar went gave Mike and his stakeholders confidence that they were making financially sound decisions, keeping projects on budget and ensuring future improvements. By using these AI-generated insights, Mike not only controlled his current project budget but also built valuable knowledge for handling budgets in future projects. Conclusion: the power of AI for budget management. And there you have it. With AI-powered tools, Mike went from struggling to manage his project's budget to keeping costs under control, ensuring every dollar was used effectively. Through real-time tracking, predictive analytics, cost-saving identification, early risk alerts, and continuous monitoring, he turned budgeting from a stressful task into a strategic advantage. If managing project costs is a challenge you're facing, consider integrating AI to bring structure and clarity to your budget management process. If you enjoyed this video and want more insights on how AI can support project management, please like, subscribe, and share with others. And let us know in the comments, what's your biggest budget management challenge? Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep those costs under control and projects running smoothly.